Jacksonport's always been a fun place to visit, and it's only getting better. I think it's a place that people are discovering, maybe for the first time.
To get all that quiet, beautiful nature that you need to restore your soul.
The nature, it's not too crowded, and you feel special when you're here.
And then come back to this really sweet, restorative kind of place. Jacksonport's special.
We're really fortunate to be so close to Cape Point and the Whitefish Dunes, so I think the dunes is like an 870-acre dune formation. So from the water you can really see all the rolling dunes.
And being able to take a kayak and just glide over an old shipwreck in only 10 or 15 feet of water, it's a pretty unique experience. Lakeside Park in Jacksonport is a quiet, inviting beach where you can still lay down, see almost no one around you, and look out and gaze into the lake like it's 1,000 miles long.